I'm so excited.
I know. Oh, we're getting to see it from a different angle.
I know, I love it. The thread. Damn!
So good.
It's so hyped,
I
dude.
love that they showed the different elements of that fight from a different angle. That was awesome. Because it's like, it's a rewatch, you know, it's a recap. But it's almost like you're seeing it for the first time again. Yeah. That's awesome.
Rest in peace, Tanjiro's long hair. It will never be forgotten.
Maybe he'll grow his hair out again.
One can hope. Still excited to meet them.
Still very excited. Anticipation.
I miss Nezuko. I want her on screen again.
Yeah, Nezuko needs to come back to the forefront of the episodes because she's adorable. I already know the words.
These abilities are going to be so cool, dude. What the hell? Oh.
No way!
Is that Urokodaki?
No way!
Oh.
And that's the demon, but before he mutated. Has to be, right?
Oh my god.
This is awesome!
Woo! Oh, he's running. What a badass, dude.
He's running away scared. He's not trying to fight back.
Oh. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh!
It was totally him before he mutated.
Yeah.
The eyes are the same.
That was so awesome.
Oh my gosh.
That like fade out, the transition. Oh my god.
Damn it. The face of this demon slayer is the last thing I'm ever going to see. I never would have thought it had come to this.
He's not happy about
it. He
it.
looks so sad. I mean, he doesn't want to kill anything, anyone.
Brother, where are you?
Oh no, he was a human.
I want you to hold my hand again. Why did I do it? Why would I eat my own big brother?
Oh my god. Can Tanjiro hear this?
I had a brother. I'd forgotten. What a sad scent.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
There has to be redemption for demons. Like, there has to be.
The next time this man is reborn, please don't let him turn into a demon again.
Brother, wait up! Can you please hold my hand?
I have chills, dude.
You scaredy cat.
The light for him is going home with his brother. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Wow.
It's like it set free the souls.
Como, and all the others whose lives were taken by this demon. It's over. You can rest now.
Those are all of
I
Urokodaki
wonder
students.
if he'll ever see them again now that he's killed the demon. Or if they can move on.
You're going back to Urokodaki.
Damn.
Hitting me with the emotions
For
right off
real.
right out of the gate.
I've got a question. Once someone's been turned into a demon, how do they change back?
Wow. Oh my god.
Someone please.
They don't even remember their humanity.
That's the saddest part.
I think that should be the goal with Nezuko. If she forgets her humanity, then she might kill a human.
Wow. So is he safe here, you think? Or...
It might be the edge.
I made it.
Oh, he was going to the east, remember?
That's right, for the sunrise.
Only
They,
4 of us?
they all had the same idea.
We started with over 20.
No, all the others must be dead. Or left.
He's gone. I'm gonna die. I'm done for. I've survived for now, but soon enough, dead.
Welcome back, everyone.
So has it been 7 days?
Oh my gosh, it's been 7 days.
And congratulations.
Where's my sword?
Patience. We must first issue you all uniforms. Hinoe, Hinoto, Hinoe, Hinoto, Tsuchinoe, Tsuchinoto, Kanoe, Kanoto, Mizunoe, Mizunoto. You all started.
I'm not remembering them. I need to watch this again.
In a moment, you will be given the chance to select the ore that will be used to forge your swords.
That's cool.
It will be 10 to 15 days before the weapons are ready for you.
Really?
But now that you're demon slayers, you must each be assigned your own Kasugai crow.
Aw.
The Kasugai crows are primarily used to facilitate communication.
Oh right, that's how
Gyu,
Gyu sent
yeah.
the message. Oh my gosh! He has a little bird.
Hey man, don't you dare.
Crows are awesome.
I want my sword right now.
Chill.
Take your hand off her.
Yeah, Tanjiro. Oh!
Give it your best shot.
Oh! It's my boy, dude. Look. Oh my gosh.
Are you finished chatting with each other?
Oh my gosh, just unfazed.
What are they?
Now the time has come.
I think there's some spiritual being of some sort. I feel like they've been there for thousands of years.
She seemed unfazed.
To protect yourself.
I'm gonna be dead soon anyway.
Jeez.
Probably.
What a
The bird just
pessimist.
looked at him.
They want us to choose. But how are we supposed to pick one? I can't tell the difference between any of them.
I don't have a clue what to pick.
He speaks his mind.
Five of them managed to survive. That's excellent. The number of my
We only saw 4, right?
Yeah, we only saw 4 of them. What does he mean 5 of them survived? Was one seeking medical attention?
Oh, Nezuko, I'm sorry. I'm no closer to finding a cure. My uniform feels heavy. I want to get home, but every part of me hurts.
Can you imagine how tired you must be? Or Okodaki, come on, baby. I want him to just...
Hug him.
Yeah.
Nezuko's up! She woke up!
Nezuko! It's you! You're awake! Nezuko!
Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Oh.
Oh, he's crying.
I feel like I'm a part of their family, dude. That... Oh my gosh.
You were able to kill that mutated demon.
He knows about it.
I'm truly impressed that you made it back.
Thanks.
You should know, there are different kinds of demons. The Blood Demon Art is a special spell that some use to give them abilities. And fighting against supernatural abilities will be more difficult than anything you've done. I have no doubt that you'll be just fine.
It seems like Nezuko's a whole lot different from other demons. Do you think that's because of this bloody art thingy then?
No, I think it's something else. But I believe Nezuko can recover her strength by sleeping.
Huh. Like a hibernation.
Just like me. Sleep.
I'll protect you, Nezuko.
15 days later. How long do you think she has to sleep on average then? Hello.
Who are you?
Hi there.
My name is Haganezuka. I've forged Tanjiro Kamado's sword. I am here to deliver it.
Oh, come in.
This is a Nichirin sword. I forged it myself.
Okay.
Do you want to come in? Have
The
some...
materials for this kind of sword only come from... They produce steel that can absorb sunlight.
Wow, really?
They absorb sunlight. That's so cool.
The man still refuses to listen to a word anyone else says.
He knows him.
Whoa.
You know how your hair and eyes have a reddish hue to them? When a family that works with fire has a child like you, it's considered lucky and cause for celebration.
Right, Cole.
That means there's a good chance this sword will turn red. Right, Urokodaki?
Yes.
Oh, love it.
I love that he knew that he was just sitting there listening.
Draw it already. Nichirin swords are also referred to as color-changing katanas.
That's what the other dude was saying. Oh, shit. He said it was going to be red, right?
What does this mean?
That's interesting.
Why? Does turning black mean something bad?
It's just that it's a little unusual. You don't see it often.
But I was really hoping I got to see a sword turn bright red!
Oh my god.
Hey, let go!
Is he bringing information? Oh, they just talk. Orders.
You must go to a town northwest of here. Young girls are disappearing.
He has his first mission. Oh no.
After night, at least one of them vanishes.
Jeez.
You must hunt down the demon responsible and destroy it. This is your first assignment as a member of the Demon Slayer Corps.
All right.
He's got this. Hell
It's
yeah.
so awesome that his sword is black.
I know.
I'm so glad that it didn't turn red. I think it looks so much cooler that it's black.
We have to wait. There's
I
funny
know.
stuff after the credits. I'm also glad that it's black. I want to know what it looks like red. Obviously, Haganezuka really wanted to see a bright red sword.
I feel like it is actually going to mean something, the color, and maybe they didn't like go into too much detail. They were like, oh, it's interesting. It doesn't happen very often. I feel like it might actually mean something. There's some symbolism that they're not sharing with him.
Yeah, it's dependent on the holder.
Yeah. You would think black would be a bad thing, like you have darkness in your heart or something, but that's awesome. I think it'll look good with his colors of his outfit.
For sure. We already met him, right?
The one with the
Yeah.
yellow, yeah. Not the guy with the boar
boar
on
head.
his head.
At least not that we know.
Oh, he could be that guy I didn't like.
Yeah.
The Tanjiro was like, I'm gonna break your arm.
Okay, Kasugai Pro. Say hello.
What gives you the idea that you could give me orders?
Now it's time for a Taisho era secret.
It's not. It's time for the next mission. Don't miss it, or I promise I'll fly to your house and peck you.
Hey!
Awesome.
Well, I don't want him to fly to my house and peck me, so I guess we will be watching episode 6.
Damn.
Hitting me with the emotions right
For
off
real.
the right out of the gate.
Damn.
Hitting me with the emotions right
For
off
real.
the right out of the gate. Like right out of the gate.
Like right out of the gate.